Welcome back to another Element Pack Pro tutorial. In this video, we're diving into the Custom Icons feature. This flexible tool lets you upload and use your own icon libraries directly inside Elementor, giving you complete creative freedom and consistent brand styling across your website without relying on built-in icon sets. Let's get started. To begin, log into your WordPress dashboard and navigate to the left-hand menu. Hover over Element Pack Pro and select the Custom Icons option. This will open the Custom Icons dashboard, where you can upload and manage your own icon libraries. At the top left, you'll find the Add New Icon Set button. Click it to start creating your custom icon collection. Next, enter a name for your icon set and upload a compatible zip file. Element Pack Pro supports popular icon libraries like IcoMoon, Remixicon, and IcoFont, giving you plenty of flexibility to meet your design needs. For this example, imagine uploading a Remixicon set and naming it Remixicon. Once uploaded, click the Publish button in the top right corner to save your new icon library. Return to your page design, where you may have already added some icon boxes. To replace existing icons with your custom set, select the Icon Box widget, then open the Content tab and click on Icon Library. A window will appear showing all available icon sets. Look for your newly uploaded Remix icon under the My Libraries section. Clicking on it will reveal all the icons from that set, allowing you to choose one that fits your design. The icon in your widget will update instantly as you select it. You can repeat this simple process for any other icons you want to customize, helping you build a consistent and branded look throughout your website. This smooth workflow makes it easy to upload, manage, and apply custom icons, giving your site a cohesive visual identity and complete creative freedom. When you're done, click Publish and preview your work to see your custom icons in action. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Hit the bell icon to stay updated on the latest features and tools from Element Pack Pro. Thanks for watching.